I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is a Hermes haul. It's a little different than usual. I got some home pieces. Two of the items I already had, and two of them I picked up this weekend. So yeah guys, I've been away for a while. I apologize. Just taking a break from social media, taking care of my kids. Like last week they were sick. But thank you so much for viewing this video. Welcome back if you're already subscribing. And if you're not guys, definitely check out my channel. I do Mommy Monday videos, I do hair tutorials, and I do videos on luxury goods. If that's something that interests you, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm in a different element today because I'm getting work done in my house, so excuse me if you hear a little noise, but I'm just gonna get to it super quick guys. So I start off with this beautiful tea set. It's from their H Decor line. And I just thought it was so beautiful when I saw it. It comes in a black tone with white accents. I decided to go with the white with the black accents. I thought it was really pretty. So yeah guys, I picked up this because every morning, you know, even as a mom, coffee first. 3 shots of espresso to be honest. But yeah guys, I thought it was really beautiful. I love the detail of the plate, the little saucer here, which is really beautiful. Very small. It has Hermes there. I'm going to show you guys some close-up pictures of it. I just love it. I thought it was so beautiful. I love the inside of the detail of the cup. So yeah guys, so I picked this up. The price point was very approachable for Hermes. When you think of home decor, you would think of like a little bit more elevated price point, but it was very approachable. I'm going to have that link below for you guys. I got it for like, I think it was like 150 for this, and I just thought it was so beautiful to just add to the home element and add a little bit of aesthetic feel for pictures and everything like that. So guys, let me know if you like that piece. I was so excited to get it. And I picked up this here. Now guys, I tell everyone, please don't sleep on the baby line. This towel right here is always sold out. Me and my girlfriend for a month been stalking the website. I got it in the blue color first, and I ended up giving it to her because she just moved into a new apartment. So when it finally came back on, I decided to go with pink this time around. I'm going to show you guys an idea that I have for this towel. You know, taking that I have kids and I don't live a super luxurious life. You know, I don't want it to mess up inside of my bathroom. My family, they're all over the place. So I'm actually going to get something really cool made out of this towel. The price point again was really good, and it is a big size towel compared to the adult size towels. The price point was really good, and I feel like that's why it's always sold out. But I think it was so nice. I love the detail of the Hermes, like a little tag on here. The color is so gorgeous, and I think you're getting a pretty decent sized towel. But I'm actually going to get it made into a little cute little beach bag. So yeah guys, that's my idea, and hopefully I do like a little tutorial on that once I get it made. But I love the fact that with the towel, it came with this really beautiful dust bag. It just shows how elevated Hermes pieces are, that they always think above and beyond, and a little bit of surprise element to their pieces. So something like this that you wouldn't even think that they would give a dust bag for, they did. So I really love that, that it came with the towel, and it is from the kids section guys. I have a link below. For the past 2 days they've been on there. I told my girlfriend, I was like, girl, it's on there, and it was like probably like 10 o'clock at night. So you have to catch it at times like that, either early morning or early morning or late at night. Now this piece is something that I got actually when I got it the first time, and I gave her the blue towel. I got this little wash rag as well. This is from the kids section, but this is an adult size towel. I mean, this is an adult size wash rag, guys. So I just thought this was super cute too. I'm actually going to get this added to that beach bag that I told you guys. It's like a little inside pocket just to add like the two-tone color element to it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use these little towels for. That's what I'm going to use the towel and the wash rag for, to make a cute little knock around beach bag. I'm actually going to Puerto Rico on September 1st, so I'm super excited. But yeah guys, I'm gonna get the beach bag made, and this is gonna be like a little inside pocket. But guys, don't sleep on the baby line. They have really great pieces. The price points are amazing compared to the adult stuff, and this is, adult can use this. This is a huge wash rag. So cute little box that it came in. I love Hermes packaging. So guys, I got a Twilly as well because you guys know that I have the Her bag. Sorry, you guys know that I have the Her bag. I got this from Mother's Day. I love it. I've been using it. I've been just, you know, out and about with it. It's so easy to grab, and it's no fuss type of piece. Even like today with the outfit that I have on, guys. And if you're interested in what I have on, guys, I have some fall pieces dropping on my site coming soon. This is not available, but it's coming soon, guys. So I just wanted to wear it today just to create that, you know, just to show you guys what I have coming soon. Really cute pieces, you know, those Instagrammable like type of pictures and stuff like that. I thought you guys would really like that for fall time. So if you haven't checked out my shop, I have a shop. It's called Shop for the Love. I had that listed below, guys, if you want to check out some of my t-shirts, but I have some really cute sweatshirts coming soon. Again, this one isn't available, but I would definitely let you guys know when it's coming. I would say like next month. So yeah, but I think it goes really cute with the outfit. It's got some shorts on, and I just think it looks so good. But I got this Twilly, and I'm gonna show you guys how I tied it around my Her bag. I'm gonna insert some video clips of that there. So, but I got a color that will complement my Her bag, which is in black, and my Kelly wallet. I have a video on this Kelly wallet. I love it. I think it's just one of those pieces that everyone need if you're not able to get some of the more higher price points like the Kelly bag or the Birkin. This Kelly wallet is just super cute. I love it. I've worn it so many times. But I just wanted a Twilly that can complement my Her bag and my Kelly wallet. And I went with this really beautiful like orange, beige. It has the blue tones in it. And I just think it's one of those pieces that you can elevate all season, all year round. And I just thought it was really cute. When the girl pulled it out, I was like, yeah, that's it. I was like, this is exactly what I've been looking for. So I thought this would be super cute just to kind of give it a little strap, something different other than the chain that I usually wear with this Kelly wallet. But I thought the Twilly would just be this really beautiful element to it. So yeah guys, I picked up the this little Twilly here. I'm gonna go back and get some more. I was a rush, my kids were with me, and I finally got an appointment. I actually went for some sneakers, but the sneakers that I wanted, they were sold out. So I'm on the wait list for them for fall season because I wanted some really cute sneakers. So yeah guys, hopefully I have unboxing coming soon whenever those are available. But I got the Twilly, and I'm so happy that I got this color, you know, because there's Twillies like every season they come out with different prints and things. I took a picture of another one. I'll insert a picture of it here, which I thought was really cool. Little backstory about me: I went to school for animation to be a cartoonist at the Art Institute, and so I just thought this one was really nice, really different for them. Let me know what you guys think of like this one here. But yeah, so I think I'm going to go back and get that one. I wasn't sure. So yeah, but guys, sorry about the noise. Thank you so much for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up. And until next time, have a blessed day.